Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib.
Peace and love, community, and welcome back to another Sacred Melanin Community Channel video. If you are new to our channel, my name is Satin Marche and I am the founder of Sacred Melanin. Welcome to the Kimstitute. If you are not new here, thank you so much once again for tapping in with me on this day. If you have read the title, you already know this is why you came here. We are about to do another unboxing from the Queen Afua Wellness Institute. Before I do this unboxing, I would like to share that I am going through the Womb Yoga Dance Practitioner Certification course with Queen Afua. I never imagined having so much energy in the midst of carrying a baby, so much to the point that I am able to successfully go throughout this womb yoga dance training. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of context in case anyone may be confused or even just not even know. Queen Afua has quite a few schools within the Queen Afua Wellness Institute. One of those schools are Man Heal Thyself. She also has the Sacred Woman program as well as the Emerald Green program, and now the newest program, which is Womb Care Love. Within Womb Care Love School exists a 7-week detox program by the name of Womb Care Love, but she also has womb yoga dance that has just recently been incorporated into this program because it all has to deal with womb healing. Before we go through certain initiations, we have to go through others first. So the Womb Care Love detox program is sort of like an initiation or a prerequisite, if you will, prior to going through womb yoga dance. That said, last semester I went through Womb Care Love, which is again the 7-week detox program. This semester I am going throughout the womb yoga dance journey. I believe it's such a beautiful thing and it's so divine because they rarely have expecting sisters who go throughout this program, and I am learning that though I am a student right now in this moment, this initiation and this program and all the other things that I'm involved in right now are prepping me to become a better teacher. There are so many things that I could say, but I would just say that I'm just grateful. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. The Womb Yoga Dance Certification course is an intensive training for the beginner, intermediate, or advanced student of yoga. These teachings are inspired by the Kemetic Mother, Nut, the universal sky mother of birthing. Womb Yoga Dance introduces women to 108 poses that are used for stretching, strengthening, and fortifying women while aiding them in releasing tension, trauma, and stress from their womb, mind, and heart. The first item inside of our Womb Yoga Dance Healers Toolkit is our Womb Yoga Dance t-shirt. I love the detail of this shirt. I feel real official while wearing it. It reminds me to restore, rejuvenate, and renew my body and my womb. The second item included in this package is our Womb Yoga Dance scroll. This scroll includes all 108 poses, including a clear depiction of the names and photos of each of the movements within this system. Next, we have a rose quartz pendulum, which allows us to conduct our elemental readings with clients successfully. And lastly, we have our Womb Yoga Dance yoga mat, which includes a carry-on bag. Stay tuned for the setup.